sir.
The Commodore fears a revolt is nigh. His orders are to sink every goddamn pirate ship now anchored in that harbor, tonight.
Just by the governor's wishes, sir.
This is a direct order, soldier. You will take position on the grounded galleon and await the Commodore's further orders. Is that clear?
Aye, sir.
The conniving bastard. Someone ought to slit the Commodore's throat before he gets a chance to bark those orders.
You think so?
We're dead in the water otherwise.
All right, I'll kill him.
Your brains are baked. I won't take no part in killing the Commodore. Not one of the King's men.
We can't risk our good fortune. I'll be waiting for you.
Sir, we have information for the Commodore, an urgent...
Lots of sour blood between them two, Rogers and Chamberlain. What's the issue?
Commodore don't think much of civilians, I reckon. And there's a rumor going around that Rogers is some kind of Jacobite, or worse, that he's a Catholic.
Oh, I could think of worse.
You lads, follow and lay aboard. The Commodore has a job for you.
Aye, sir.
If you're not entirely overjoyed by what I have to offer, you've lost your senses.
I heard the Commodore ranting and raving about Wood Rogers, calling him a heathen and whatnot. What's happened to set them two off?
Hush, man. You don't want the governor's ire brought down on you. He's a mysterious soul.
Well, I'm much more afraid of the Commodore, in truth. He's a serious chap. No sense of humor.
Oi! Stand still. Take positions and prepare to decamp on the Commodore's orders.
Aye, sir.
Hold there!
Oh. No, you don't.
You in the bush! Out!
I'll make short work of you.
Get out of that scrub!
you doubt the honor of our cause here, and it might...
The Governor's given us a pardon, Commodore. Don't a man's word mean anything in these times?
Has syphilis clouded your mind? Why scratch and claw to protect such squalor? Your parasites feeding off the industry of honest men.
Much like King George in that respect.
Know your place, peasant! You may have taken my life, but you have not improved your own by any measure.
Does some purpose keep you talking?
If not for that heathen, Governor Rogers, I'd have seen you hanged from your own cross-trees. Worm. All of you.
Hold you. I'll beat the bejesus in.
Commodore's dead. Are we ready?
We're close. We've got a problem with the galleon. There's a couple of dozen. Bloody hell.
You'd raise a cloud here, louts!
You sat on enough gunpowder to blow New Providence off its rocks.
Lay off me, mate. I'm well chafed.
As I was telling, a squad of lobsters has commandeered our galleon. We're gonna have to clear it out before we use them cannons to play the blockade.
Stay near the Fireship, Captain. Keep it afloat. Stunsails! The Brits are on to us. Look there! Last man cleaves the bilge!
On your mark, Captain.
Damn! Got the angle wrong.
Love, some rich cargo here, sir.
Big reinforcements, Captain. Qatar, Royal Bloody Navy.
More trouble out!
Coming forward! Hold her in! Ready to bark, sir. Fire! It's vulnerable there, Captain. Fire! Almost ready, sir. Fire! Look, Captain, roll place shot there.
Shorten sail! Get up!
Oh!
Ready to fire, Captain! Make him pay, Captain! And got it! Crowd on every inch of...
Storm camp! The Fireship's about to blow! Steer clear, Captain!
Haul them in! Get off the wind! Loose all and trim sharp to the wind!
We broke through! Get clear of the fleet now and we're home free! Pull the dogs out!
Douse all but me! Every last scrap of duck on the wind!
Motor Scanway!
We ain't out of this yet.
That's where the most tender! Ready to back up! Fire!
Ready to bark, sir.
mighty mess there.
Burn, you bastards! They're burning up your ass, governor!
Prancing about like they took a prize.